Hey, welcome back to Collins Country. We got a little bit of an upgrade that we're going to go with today, and we're going to install it and we're going to see how it works. So let's do an unboxing of it real quick. I'll show you what it is. Okay, right here we have the Vevor Retractable air hose. It's 80 foot long, can handle up to 125 psi. So my last one was only 50 feet and it wouldn't even reach to the back of my shop, which is 60 foot. So this should reach to all corners of my shop, which I'm going to be really excited about. Plus, it'll reach all the way out here where this tractor is, and any implements that I need to air up any tires with, it'll work out. We're going to install it right over here where the old one was. Let's get started. All right, so let's get in here real quick, just using a nail to open this up. Look what we have here. It's a Vevor. I do love Vevor stuff, guys. Here it is. Look at that pretty orange. All right, let's see what else we got. Got some instructions. Looks like this is what it's going to mount with. There's mounting hardware. So let's see if we can get this installed. See how easy it is. The last one was kind of a pain in the butt. So let's do it. Okay, so check this out. I just cut this 90 in this block because we're going to actually mount the bracket to it. And let me show you where I'm going to put this. So here's the block. We're going to put it right there. Well, we got more to screw to. This will be nice and strong. So let's go drill some holes for that to mount right onto there. Just marking them. All right, let's get this installed here. We're just going to use a few of these screws right here, which are very stout, and that'll hold that right there. So let's get it in here. That's very stout. All right, now let's look at this hardware we got. So these screws are going to go in there. Hold that in there. Let's get the right bit for that. So if you're wondering, it's 10 millimeter. This is much easier install than that last one that I had, which makes all the difference when you buy something. Nobody wants to be spending hours trying to install something like this. Whoops. All right. It does have an arrow indicating which direction this needs to be. It's kind of common sense, but there's an arrow if you need it. There's that. Now, easy enough. Let's put the reel on here, see what it looks like before we connect it into the air compressor. All right, it's got a nice handle on it. There it is. Sweet. All right, let's get this hooked up to the air compressor and try it out. All right, let's prepare the ends so we can test this thing out. These components right here are sold separately. Just pick them up from a local hardware store for pretty cheap. But they'll thread right onto here, and I usually put Teflon tape on it, so that's what I'm going to do. Just to ensure that there's no leaks of air. There's that one. Oh, and we're out. So let's get this one on first. All right. Okay. All right, let's get this other end on here. All right, let's give her a go. Connect it into your air compressor here. Turn the air compressor on. Okay, so we got about 150 pounds of pressure inside the tank. We got about 100 pounds of pressure sitting on the line right here, the Vevor line. That's what's actually coming in this line. So let's see how far we can get this thing to reach to the back of the shop or not. Wow, we still got more hose. Man, All right, wow. It'll even go further than that. It'll even reach outside if I have tractors sitting out here in the back. So this is great. Let's take it out front and see if we can air up some tractor tires. Look at this 80-foot reel. This is nice. Usually I'm putting on extensions, which is super annoying. Now I can reach anywhere around in this flat to air up tractor tires, hay baler tires, just wherever. This is nice. The nicest part is the cleanup. This thing retracts very nicely. So, okay, so we got all 80 feet out right now. Let's see how fast this thing goes back in there. This is like, other than getting caught on kids' toys, this is doing great. Wow. Man, that is very handy. This is a Vevor 80-foot retractable pneumatic hose reel. If you guys want one, the link will be in the description below. But I do like Vevor tools quite a bit. But thank you to Vevor for sending us this. Love it. Happy homesteading.